Step 1. Unpack your kit. Once you receive the Farmobile PUC box, go ahead and unpack your kit to make sure you have everything you need for your install. Included, you will find the Farmobile PUC 4 device, the antenna, the standard 9-pin extension, the A breakout harness, installation accessories, and any additional harnessing. Step 2. Install antenna. The Farmobile antenna install will be important as this will provide GPS and cellular connection to your PUC device. When you are preparing to install the Farmobile antenna, locate a spot on the roof, preferably in the center of the cab, that is 2 feet away from other antennas and receivers. Use the provided towelette to clean off a spot to place the antenna. Next, you will use the provided 3M adhesive pad to adhere the antenna to the roof. Last, run the antenna connectors into the cab of the machine. Some machines may have access panels, window ports, or other ways to run cables into the cab of a machine. As you guide the antenna connectors into the cab, use the provided clips to secure the wire to the roof now or later when the install is completed. Step 3. Connect antenna. Now that the antenna is installed and the antenna connectors have been routed into the cab of the machine, go ahead and connect the antenna Fokker connectors to the PUC. You'll notice the 3 connectors on the PUC will be color-coded and keyed correctly to match what the correct connector is on the antenna. Step 4. Connect data cables. In this next step, you'll need to connect the A breakout harness and the standard 9-pin harness extension directly into the PUC. This will allow us to provide power to the PUC as well as connect into the right location of the machine to collect machine and agronomic data. First, you'll notice that the PUC has 2 bigger 12-pin ports on the front face of the device. These ports will be labeled A and B and will be the main ports for connecting into the PUC. Once you locate port A on the PUC, plug the Farmobile A breakout into that port. Make sure you hear the 2 clicks of the tabs on the A breakout to ensure a correctly seated connection. Next, take the standard 9-pin harness extension and plug the gray 6-pin plug into the black 6-pin port on the A breakout connection. Make sure you hear the click to ensure a seated connection. Third, connect the other end of the standard 9-pin extension into the 9-pin diagnostic port on the machine. The diagnostic port is keyed to ensure a correct alignment of the standard extension. Once positioned into the diagnostic port, rotate the cable twist ring clockwise 1/4 turn to ensure the standard extension is properly locked onto the machine's diagnostic port. Step 5. Start machine and review initial startup. Now that the PUC 4 device is properly installed, go ahead and start up the machine. Once the machine is started, you should see the LED light up and change colors as it boots up. You will know that the PUC is transmitting data to the Farmobile data engine when it's blinking green with 1-second pulses. A few other light indicators you may see include a slow blinking white light, which is an indicator that the PUC is connected to cellular and data is being collected locally to the PUC's internal database. It is just not delivering that data to Farmobile's data engine. A fast blinking green or white light is an indicator that the PUC is not connected to GPS. Confirm that the PUC's antenna has a clear view of the sky, as well as confirm that the antenna connectors are connected correctly. Now that the PUC is connected, position the PUC device in a safe space where it is out of the way of the operator and can also be easily glanced upon for verification as working correctly. Step 6. Review data in Farmobile's DataEngine Platform. The data can now be easily viewed in the user's Farmobile DataEngine account. Log in with the username and password received from support@farmobile.com using the Farmobile DataEngine app, which is available for iPhones and the iPad. Or, if you're using a computer or an Android device, you can log in through the web or mobile browser. Once logged in, navigate to the Machines tab to confirm you are seeing the expected data from your machine.